Anyang, Energy Heroes. Are you ready to hunt some shadows with me? I'm Rumi, and today we're going to move like K-pop stars. Let's start with the hunter salute. Stand tall, reach your hands high to the stars, and breathe in deep. Imagine you're gathering all the bright light in the world to start your mission. Stretch your body as long as a skyscraper. You've got the power. Now let's shine. Jump your feet wide and stretch your arms out for the K-pop star. Imagine you're on a big stage and the neon lights are shining just for you. Take a deep breath and feel the energy sparking from your fingertips. You are bright, you are brave, and you are a superstar hunter. Stand wide and strong. Show me your best idol smile. Time for some action. Step into the dancing warrior. Bend that front knee and stretch your arms out like you're ready to dodge a shadow monster. Breathe in, stay steady and strong. Imagine you're moving to the beat of your favorite K-pop song. Focus your eyes forward. A true hunter never loses their cool. Keep those arms strong, heroes. Let's get low and build some leg power. Drop down into the shadow squat. Keep your back straight and your arms up high. Breathe in and out. Imagine you're hiding in the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to jump. This pose makes your muscles super strong for dancing. Stay low, stay brave. You're doing amazing, hunters. Even hunters need to find their rhythm. Let's try the balance beat. Balance on one leg and bring your hands together over your head. Breathe slowly. Imagine you're balancing on a floating crystal. If you wobble, just catch the beat and try again. This helps your brain stay focused during the hunt. Keep your eyes on one spot. You're a pro. Ready to leap? Step into the hunter's lunge. Reach your arms to the sky and feel the power in your legs. Take a deep breath in and out. Imagine you are standing on the edge of a crystal mountain, looking for shadow monsters. You are brave, strong, and ready for anything. Keep that front knee bent and your heart open. You're doing it like a true K-pop star. Let's create a magical shape. This is the crystal triangle. Reach down low and point your other hand way up. Breathe in. Imagine you are a shining prism reflecting beautiful neon lights. This stretch makes your body flexible for those cool dance moves. Keep your legs straight and your mind clear. You are glowing with energy, little hunter. Now, let's hide in the shadows. Push your hips up for the shadow dog. Look back at your toes. Take a big breath and let it out with a whoosh. Imagine you are a ninja hunter tracking a mystery through the neon city. This pose gives your brain a boost of fresh energy. Stay strong like a mountain. You've got this, team. Time to show your core strength. Hold the power plank. Keep your body straight like a stage floor. Breathe deep. Imagine you are building a protective shield around yourself. Nothing can stop a K-pop hunter. Your arms are strong, your tummy is tight, and your mind is focused. Hold it, don't give up. Wake up your hunter heart. Push your chest up for the brave cobra. Look up at the neon stars. Breathe in. Feel your chest fill with courage. Imagine you are a hunter rising up after a long journey. This pose makes your back strong for all those high-energy dance jumps. You are a leader, Rumi's favorite hero.
Quick.
A shadow monster is coming. Let's hide in the lightning bolt. Bend your knees and reach your arms up high, like a flash of neon light. Breathe in, feel the electric energy in your legs. Imagine you are charging up your hunter's suit for a super jump. You are fast, you are strong, and you are ready. Stay low and keep breathing. Time to take flight. Lean forward into the flying hunter. Lift one leg back and stretch your arms out wide. Whoosh. Breathe slowly. Imagine you are soaring over the neon city, watching out for any trouble below. Balancing is a secret hunter skill. If you fall, just hop back up. K-pop stars always finish the show. You're doing great. Let's build a path for our team. Lie on your back and lift your hips for the neon bridge. Breathe in deep. Imagine your body is a glowing bridge made of pure crystal light. This pose makes your back and tummy super strong for those heavy dance routines. Keep your bridge high and steady. You are a hero for your friends. Got one in sight. Aim with the archer hunter. Step forward, twist your body, and pull back your magical light arrow. Take a deep breath, steady your aim. Imagine you are clearing away the shadows with a single shot of kindness. Stay focused and keep your balance. You are a sharpshooting K-pop hero. Bullseye. Great job, team. Let's take a hunter's rest. Drop your hips low and bring your hands to your heart. Breathe in and out. Imagine you are sitting around a glowing crystal campfire after a successful mission. This pose helps you feel grounded and strong. You have so much energy and so much heart. Stay still for a moment. Let's move like the stealthy tiger. Balance on one hand and the opposite knee. Stretch your body long. Breathe in. Imagine you're sneaking past a sleeping shadow giant. This pose makes your brain and body work together in perfect harmony. Stay still, stay quiet, and stay strong. You're doing a great job, hunters. Time for our secret weapon. Bend your knees and grab your ankles for the hunter's bow. Lift up high. Breathe in. Imagine you are a powerful bow ready to launch a spark of joy across the world. This pose opens your heart and gives you a massive energy boost. Feel the power in your back and legs. You are unstoppable. Even the best hunters need peace. Sit down in the lotus leader pose. Close your eyes and breathe softly. Imagine you are sitting on a glowing crystal throne in the center of the city. You have saved the day with your energy and dance. Feel the calm inside you. This is where your true power lives. Just breathe and relax. Let's fold up like a beautiful fan. Reach for your toes in the folded fan pose. Breathe out and let your head hang heavy. Imagine you are a K-pop fan closing after a spectacular show. This stretch feels so good for your tired hunter muscles. You've worked so hard today and your body is saying thank you. Stay low and peaceful. Finally, it's time for the starlight rest. Lie down and let your whole body go heavy. Breathe naturally. Imagine the neon stars are twinkling above you, protecting the city while you sleep. You have burned so much energy and gained so much strength today. You are a true K-pop hunter hero. Sleep well, little star. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe now to follow the next yoga exercises.